Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy Fuller here to bring you another Dollar Tree haul. That's right, I went shopping today and I bought all of these things. Can you see? Just picking. I bought that over a course of number of years. Anyway, if this is the kind of content that you want to see, hauls and all that kind of good stuff, then hey, stick around and keep watching. And if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget about that notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload a video. But until then, let's get into it. Well, hello my joyful subbies. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy Fuller here to bring you another Dollar Tree haul. I know, I just uploaded a haul the other day, but this one is a mini haul, and these things are something that I just needed to add to my stash, and I wanted to share those things with you. And also I had to take the frame that was cracked and then the ruler that was scratched up. I had to take those back anyway, so while there I decided to, hey, let's look around and see what other items I can find to include in my stash. And so then while I was walking around in there, all these ideas just started flowing through my head, and of course I had to take advantage of it. One of the things that came to mind was doing something for my two younger grandsons. They're 3 years old, and then my youngest granddaughter who's 4. So with that being said, let's get into it. First of all, I don't know if you all use these, but I enjoy working with poster stickers. I did not have any of the number stickers in my stash. I had used those probably about 2 or 3 years ago, and I just never replaced them. So while in the store, I decided to pick up not one but 2 of these poster stickers for an upcoming DIY, especially with the holidays coming. You know, we're not far to be December, and as you've seen on many of the crafters channels, they're already starting to craft for the fall, craft for Christmas. So if you're one of those that keeps up with that trend, you may want to go ahead and start purchasing some of your items now before they be picked over or they become hard to find. Another thing that I bought was some more stickers. However, I bought it in a different font, in a different style. These are all the white and black poster stickers. Sometimes I do not want to use just all black stickers, and so I decided to purchase some of these, not one but 2. You know, I always say I buy usually more than one of one item just so I'll have it, especially when it comes to stickers. And then this is just something that I thought was cute, and I purchased it for my daughters. This is just a rat tooth comb. I think it's cute. It's like a metallic looking purple. I don't know if you could tell with the camera or not, but I thought that was cute. And like I said, these are just some things that I saw and wanted to add to my stash. Or of course, some things I did buy for my husband, my dog, and my daughter. Anyway, these little beads, although I have a lot of the natural wood beads, I wanted to buy a pack of the brown ones that's already stained, and I will be using these in an upcoming DIY really soon. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and have your notification bell turned on so you will not miss any of the content that I upload to my channel. So I got 2 of those, and I also purchased 2 of the white beads. Now I'm not sure if your Dollar Tree has those, but mine kind of keep these in stock. And then I thought this was so cute. Look at that, guys. It is a tablet. Look at that. A little writing pad. So this will be good for when I'm out and about in my car. Keep it in my car, and an idea hit, I can just flip, and then there you have it. Put in my notes. Actually, I was trying to figure out what this was, you know, then I just felt like I can just press this, get a little stress, just press it in, and hey. So I thought that was cute. And then I saw these on another crafter's YouTube channel, and I was like, they are the cutest. And so I kind of bought these for my 4-year-old granddaughter. And look at these guys. I think these are so cute. The Mike Ikes. And it has the color of the pens, the pen color, I guess, to match this set over here. I thought that was cute. And then the Fruit Loops pen, and I think eraser set, and you can actually sniff it. It's scented highlighter pen and bookmark. I thought that was cute. Isn't that cute? I know you think it's cute. And then the same with the Jolly Rancher. Isn't that cute? I think that's adorable. So got those. And then I bought these little plaques here. This one says good things take time. I will not be keeping it with this wording on there. It will be used for a DIY. But if you want to keep it that way, you can. This says all you need is love. And if you wanted to pair it up, you could. And again, it's just repeating the same thing. But again, I will be using these for an upcoming DIY for a wall decor. Stay tuned for that. And then I've seen other crafters with these, and I decided that I'm going to create a project or DIY using these floating shelves. And I have, of course, 4 of those. I do have it in black, and I also have 4 in white. They're over there on the stand over there. And then I am going to do a dupe using these mirrors. So here's the mirrors, and you can see my ring light right there. You can see me in the camera. But I have 3 of these, and so stay tuned for the upcoming dupe. And then I have a water buffalo tuffy, a dog chew. Remember, I said I only buy like rawhide or something like that for my dog because Dollar Tree treats kind of upset her belly. So I have her that. She's going to enjoy biting on that. Then some more rawhides. And I just keep these in stock. So I kind of pick them up every time I go to Dollar Tree. And no, she doesn't get them that often. And then this is a pig ear chew dog treat. I'm going to try this one to see how it does on her stomach. Hopefully it won't upset it. As well as this water buffalo rib bone dog chew. I know she'll like it, but I just got to make sure this stuff doesn't upset her belly. So I'm going to try that out, and I'll let you know for all you dog lovers. And then my husband, he likes their juices, so I bought him this Healthy Balance apple juice. It has 1 gram of sugar. We are watching our sugar intake, so I bought him this one. And my 15-year-old grandson is here, so he's took the other 2. He had cran apple and pomegranate juice. Both of them had, I think, one had 1 gram, the other had 2 grams of sugar. Buy healthy balance. So I bought my husband this. And then I'm gonna put this down here on the floor. And I showed you guys that. And then I have some vases. I thought these was cute, especially with Christmas coming up. So I am going to leave them in this color and create a DIY using these when it gets closer to that time. I am not one of those that follow trends, although when I first started I felt that I needed to, and I quickly learned that's not my style, that's not who I am, so I don't even try to keep up with it. But anyway, then I bought these. I think these are cute. So yeah, I bought 2 of those. And again, I am going to create a DIY using those. And then I bought 2 more of the locally grown calendars. I have a lot of people that I am creating DIYs for using these. So one of these I am actually going to give to someone. So got 2 of those. And then remember I told you I was getting into flowers during my Temu haul. Well, I decided to pick up the flowers calendar, and I will be using some of these beautiful flowers in a DIY of some sort. So I have those, and I'm about to think that's all. And last but not least, guys, I told you this was a quick DIY, haul. I am going to create out of these bags a cute DIY for my grandson. It's so cute. My grandson that lives in Texas, he's into dinosaurs, so I thought this would be cute. So I'm gonna create him that. And then my 7-year-old grandson, he loves SpiderMan, so I actually gonna create him something out of this one. And oh, I forgot the Barbie one. I'm gonna have to go back and pick it up. I thought I picked it up, but then I have the Paw Patrol for my other 3-year-old grandson. And that's all I have, folks. I am completely done with this haul. I've completed it in less than 15 minutes. So if you saw something that you enjoyed, and if you're looking forward to seeing what I create using these things, then please just give me a thumbs up and make sure you comment. I can't wait, and I will see you on the next DIY. I plan on uploading something either later on tonight, or we will most definitely be uploading something tomorrow, and maybe 2 projects tomorrow. We'll see. But until then, have a great night, and I will see you on the next DIY. Bye, guys.